Welcome back to the Oracle Multicloud Platform course. In this section, we will cover two of the design pillars of the multi-cloud architecture framework, Cloud Core and Cloud Access. In the multi-cloud architecture framework, under the Cloud Core pillar, there are many options to choose from the services of each service provider. Consideration for the best service required for the solution is important. If you don't choose the right service from a particular provider, that can end up as bad design choice and may cost more, negating the cost benefits under multi-cloud solutions. For example, choosing the best database service from both performance and cost optimization in OCI can bring true multi-cloud solution value while having application stack in another cloud provider. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure comes with large portfolio of services to provide organizations options to choose for the multi-cloud solutions. Organizations can leverage core infrastructure services like compute, storage, networking as required. They have option to use from database services, both with optimized infrastructure and as a fully automated PaaS service. Multi-cloud solutions can be built with data and AI services from OCI, while having the ability for creating simple application using low code or have business analytics running on large data sets. OCI also provides all these services to be used in multi-cloud solution architectures with ability for governance and administration across cloud providers. One of the typical multi-cloud use cases is application and database split architecture. Oracle Database Cloud Services provide a variety of options leveraging OCI for these type of architectures. Organizations can run Oracle databases on OCI to get most performance and cost point. You can choose database system infrastructure on OCI for simple workload or to deploy RAC, real application clusters, for the HA. You can also get Exadata Cloud Service for scalability and high performance when you need to run business critical applications in cloud. Finally, where automation and minimum data management is key requirement, you can use autonomous database services. Now we'll look into Cloud Access. The Cloud Access pillar in the multi-cloud architecture framework has different components to choose from each service provider. Special consideration of best service for the required solution is important. If you are not choosing the right service from a particular provider, that can end up as a high cost and less future expansion option, negating the cost and architecture flexibility benefit under multi-cloud solutions. For example, choosing the best connectivity service from both latency and bandwidth with OCI Azure Interconnect service can bring true multi-cloud solution value while having split stack application architecture. For multi-cloud connectivity in OCI, we can use simple site-to-site virtual private network to connect with another cloud. These connections are generally over the internet and comes with encrypted tunnels to provide security. However, low latency and high bandwidth is difficult to achieve when using VPN connectivity. OCI also provides use of dedicated connection where you can have a fixed bandwidth and a very low latency fast connect service. Fast connect service becomes vital when running applications across the clouds, as low latency can be key for split stack application architectures. Oracle has made strategic partnership with Microsoft for customers to have their true multi-cloud options to choose from. OCI Azure Interconnect service provides a direct connectivity between the two clouds. This is managed and provisioned by customers where they can choose the best services from each cloud provider to build multi-cloud solution architectures. Under the hood for this service is OCI Fast Connect and Azure Express Route, which provides very low latency and higher bandwidth. For example, you can use Azure Synapse Analytics with a large data warehouse in Exadata Cloud Service. OCI has strong partnership with third-party cloud connectivity service providers. These service providers have cloud connectivity fabrics, which allows customers to connect multiple cloud service providers together for building multi-cloud solution architectures. Oracle has partnered with global cloud connectivity providers like Equinix, Megaport, and Colt, to name few, where there is a simple configuration option within OCI console to establish these links very easily and quickly. This option really opens the ability for customers to deploy their applications in selecting best service from each service provider. Domain name system, DNS for short, is a critical component for the application accessibility. DNS in multi-cloud application architecture design is a very important consideration. The time to name resolution for application in the multi-cloud drives solutions experience. OCI provides options to either host the DNS as primary provider or be able to integrate with other cloud providers' DNS services. For example, we can have Route 53, AWS DNS service, to steer traffic between the OCI regions, where the application is deployed for production in one OCI region and DR in another. This concludes the second section of this part of the course. Thanks for listening and hope to see you in the next section soon.